¿Qué tal, amigas, amigos, coleccionistas? Bienvenidos a otro video aquí en el canal. Welcome everyone to another video here in the channel. Frame my wheels. As you can see from what I'm showing you, this is my stash. It's part of it. And I don't have nothing planned. No tengo nada planeado por hoy. Nomás ando acomodando, ando moviendo unas cosas aquí en la casa y acomodé en este rinconcito lo que son mis carros. What is my diecast, my cars. And I feel like opening some Matchbox today, so nomás quería enseñarles. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my collection of how much I have, to be honest. And there's 3 more boxes missing here in this whole big pile. I'll try to back up as further as possible there. So we got like 3 more boxes, big boxes, either like totes like this or huge boxes like this, and I probably have 1 or 2 other missing. So sí, tenemos varias cajas que andamos moviendo para tener todo en una sección, porque tengo todo regado en la casa y quería acomodar todo aquí en un rinconcito, todos mis carros, y quise abrir Matchbox y tengo como una idea, no, para que vean, mira, todo el polvo, están bien empolvados. Mira esa chulada, puro Matchbox en esta caja. Aquí tenemos, we got a 70 Chevy El Camino, very cool. We got a truck, we got a Nissan Titan, it's a very cool Nissan, and 73 Chevy Camaro. We got Camaros here, we got the bus, film bus, very awesome cars, Nissan Datsuns. We got the NASA van, got a truck back there. I feel like opening some trucks, and the NASA one sounds good. And we got here, oh, that one's a nice little truck. That pink car. We got there's a 33 Ford Coupe, 2010 Porsche, very cool. And then we got here, ooh, I would like to open up a boat. This is a very nice truck, 47 Chevy AD3 3100. It's very cool. For sure, I have not opened the boat. I'm gonna open up the boat. What do you guys think? Should we open up the boat? I have not opened any boats lately. This is from MBX Service, 12 out of 20. And as you can tell, the card, it is an old card from, I'm gonna guess, 2019 Brigade, Matchbox.com. See, the old card. It's crack it open. Let's check it out. Muy padre esto. Quiero abrir un barquito. Está bien padre esto. Me encanta, está bien chulo. Ahí le podemos leer RSQ08 y muy bonito en rojo, está padre. Ahí tiene la cabina, it has the cabin there, it has the water hoses in the front. I think they're water hoses. It has like a very cool railing, gray plastic. So as far as I can tell, the bottom is the metal, and the middle part here, the white, and the roof is metal. It's just this railing that is in gray, that is plastic, for sure. Very cool. Let's keep going. Let's see what other let's put that one right there. Let's see what other car or truck on better yet. Vamos a ver qué carro o troca. A ver, vamos a ver esta de construcción. Oh, qué padre. Esto lo podemos dejar para otro. Quiero hacer otro video. I want to make another video of the 5-pack that I found for construction. I'm gonna do a whole construction video. And, since we're doing the construction outside in our property, so that sounds pretty interesting to do. We can also do something there. Mission support vehicle. I want to say that we already have this one. Let me double check. and we'll get back to you. And it's a no. I checked the channel and we don't have this one right here. Oh, it's $1. Excuse the barcode there. It's a service vehicle, MBX service. There's the logo, very cool. 18 out of 20, and it's NASA. It's busted out, so we can check this one out. Very cool. There you go. Zoom in real quick. The wheels are very cool. It's standard for these service vehicles. It says NASA and it says launch and flight operations support. You got the American flag there. This is unit number 2. Interesting. Should we be looking out for unit number 1? I hope so. NASA. And the other side is the same. And as you can tell, on the door, the United States flag is pasted right, and then the other one, it's the opposite. It's inverted. If anyone knows why, I'm just curious. I just thought about it right now. Like, why would that be? So there you got some blinkers on the side. The headlights and the grill are out of the plastic, so it's like embedded on the front of the grill, or the the front of the vehicle. So very cool. Bottom is metal. The shell is metal. Everything else is plastic. The grill is plastic. And there's a special feature in the back where the door opens. Very cool. See, boom, it opens. Hey Noah. Noah, I am making a quick video.
Well, a quick video. Let's do something quick else outside.
We'll see right now. And then, so let's check that out. Let me check what these guys want, and then we'll get back to the video. All right, so let's continue. And now the kids wanted to get wet, but it's way too hot here in Texas. And it's in the hundreds, and it's not healthy for them to be outside. So let me see, what else can I find? Let's see, I don't want to open that truck. Is there anything back there? Ooh, what's that? It's weird. So let's see. Can't zoom in. There you go. A few more. Ooh, these are good ones. I'm not gonna open these, but these are very cool. MBX City, and it's a Chevy Caprice Classic Police. I like these police. NYPD. That's a very cool tempo. And here is this one, which is a SWAT vehicle. Also, no, not also, but MBX Rescue. Very cool. It's MBX SWAT. It's dope. And then, let's see, this is the one I want to try to see if I want to open. Oh, we're kind of back. My phone kind of got full of storage, so I had to do a quick video dump on my camera. I mean, on my computer. And yeah, so for a little bit, I was checking out these cars. So we got pretty cool ones. We got here a Nissan Titan, a Chevy Caprice. There we go. We got another 4. We got several of those. And here we got all these. We got a Lotus, very cool. A Mini Coupe 2015, 36 Jaguar, very cool. Another Jaguar, different color. Volkswagen, the Beetle convertible, and baby blue. We got 2 or like silverish. We got 2 of those. And we got many more. Got another beautiful car there. And we got more trucks, more of the Chevy. 42 Chevy. We got a Lamborghini. We gotta open one of those up. We got another Volkswagen. We got doubles, so we're probably gonna. I'm thinking about reselling some. So that's another topic for another day. So I think I'm gonna open this submarine. Pretty cool. I want more toys for my kids to play in the water. We go out to the pool. So I'm gonna open this submarine. It's a Sub Seeker. 104 out of 125. That's very cool. And there's the name. It is from MBX Road Trip. It's a 27 out of 35. I don't know what that number is right there, but here it says 27 out of 35. Oh, okay. On the Road Trip series. And this is an overall. I don't think so. Now for use with some Matchbox sets. Non-compatible AVEC. Oh, okay, that's in different, another language. So let's open this one up. Very cool submarine. I hope I did not check this one on the channel. I hope I don't already opened it. That would be a bummer. Cool. It's pretty heavy. The bottom part is metal, and this top white part is metal too, and the green all fluorescent green that you see there is plastic. So the rotors are plastic. The little submarine glass thingy there is plastic, and the front windshield, the big ball there, is plastic. Very cool. Yep. So this is a quick video. Don't have much to do this week. Pretty busy, and had to open something up. So thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one. Mucha suerte en la próxima. So there it is, the 3 that we opened up today, and we checked out a bunch of these Matchboxes. We got more to show off, so yeah, check that out. 3, the submarine, the NASA truck, and the boat we opened up. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one. Nos vemos en la próxima. Hasta luego. Mucha suerte en la cacería. Bye.